Turn on the drawing guide and edit it to your preferences. To speed up your workflow, you can customize these little tabs, so when you tap it, you can turn on and off the assisted drawing. Now, when you tap it, you can toggle on and off the assisted drawing. For this exercise, I'm going to draw a bedroom. Now for rendering, there's two options. First one is to download some textures, and the second one is to draw the textures yourself. In another layer, applies a solid color. Then import the image of your chosen texture. Scale it according to your drawing. In that layer, select Clip and Mask. Duplicate it and do the same until you fill all the area. And for the second option, draw your desired texture. In this case, I will be drawing some ceramic tiles. Finally, add some shadows depending on the position of the windows.